Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the 2000 Gauss paper aimed at the grade 8 level, not to be confused with the grade 7 level Gauss paper. We're up to question number 7 in part A, so let's take a look. So question 7 mentions the Toronto Stock Exchange, one of the many little Canadianisms they slip into these contests. During the week, the Toronto Stock Exchange made the following gains and losses. Monday, it went down by 150 points. Tuesday, it recovered by adding up 106 points. Wednesday, it went back down 47. Thursday, it went up by 182. And on Friday, a big loss there. They lost 210 points. What was the net change for the week? Okay. So before we actually get into the math of this question illustrates a very interesting point. Let's look at their answers. We have a loss of 119, we have a loss of 91, we have a gain of 119, we have a gain of 695, and we have a gain of 91. Okay. So if we could even just figure out whether or not we have a loss or a gain, we could make a better guess. So let's just look at it. Monday's loss is bigger than Tuesday's gain, and Thursday's gain is less than Friday's. Friday's loss is bigger than Thursday's gain. So between Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday, we're definitely looking at a loss. And then when we look at Wednesday, well, we have even more of a loss. So just looking at the largeness of the numbers and comparing them, we can already see we're going to get a loss overall. We don't know how much of a loss, but we do know we're going to get a loss. Because we have so many negative points. So that means that the answer is either A or D. So out of our 5 possibilities, we've narrowed it down to 2. And if for some reason we were stuck and we just couldn't keep going, we didn't know how to solve this problem, as soon as we've narrowed it down to 2 choices, you're free to make a guess. Obviously answer the question if you can, but if you're in a situation where you've narrowed it down to a possibility of 3 or a possibility of 2, different of our multiple choice answers, it is okay to take a guess, because at that point, if you're confident you've narrowed it down, then your average value is going to be more than the 2 marks for leaving it blank. So you can guess on these contests. It's multiple choice. It does allow guessing. It is highly suggested that you narrow it down to 3 or at best 2 possibilities before you take your guess. So that's why I like question 7 here, because just by looking at it, we can realize it's going to be either A or D. Now let's figure out which one it is by using math. So we don't know what the start of the stock exchange is on Monday morning, but let's suppose we'll just say we start at T points. I don't care. I'm going to take this T, I'm going to add all the minuses and the losses and the gains, and I'm going to get a value at the end of the week, and it's going to be T plus or minus something. And that's going to be whether or not I got an overall loss or an overall gain. So from Monday, I know that I lose 150 points. And then on Tuesday, I gain 106. Then I lose 47 on Wednesday. I gain, I think it is 182. Let's just double check. Yep, gain 182 on Thursday. And then on Friday, we lose 210 points. So this in terms of T is going to be what we get at the end of the week. So 150. So we get 182 minus 210. So overall, I'm seeing that this is going to be equal to T minus 119 at the end of the week. So therefore, we have a loss of 119. We started off with T, and then throughout the course of the week, we lost 119 points, whatever T was. Maybe we started with 1,000 points. The point is, at the end, we'll have lost 119 points overall. So, which one is that? Well, that's A loss of 119. So that does it for question number 7 on the 2000 Gauss paper. Join me in the next video, and we're going to take a look at question number 8. I'll see you guys then.